It ain't easy, Dad. Isn't that what they say? Or,
You're not 91 yet, Doug.
well, if you look at me, I don't know if I'm ever going to be 91.
Well, why not?
Because I'm having enough trouble at whatever age I am now.
What kind of trouble?
Aches and pains and tired and just tired of it all, Dad.
You got plenty of time.
To burp
to
like
be
you?
tired.
Plenty of time to burp like Dad.
Yeah.
Is there a method to your madness?
Yeah, I'm going to put my feet up on the bed.
And then what happens to you?
Nothing happens to me.
Would you like something to happen to you? I can call someone for you.
What do you have in mind?
Not me. What do you have in mind?
Nothing.
And that's the way you like it.
Yes.
Don't touch me. Leave me alone. Ah,
Perfect.
you're in the position.
That's right.
And the close-up is, oh, great. Classic Dad. Classic. Ah. You're making a lot of noise there, Dad. Heavy breathing, and for all the wrong reasons.
Well, what do you want me to do?
Diddly-dee-bee. All right.
Bye.
Yeah. It's one of those days where we're never going to get a good dad show. I can just tell.
I know.
Don't cry. No, don't cry, my little baby.
It's enough of that.
Oh, all right. Nope. Yep. Who loves you?
I don't know.
That's not the answer.
Okay, Doug.
Doug? Doug who?
Doug Sharon. Doug Sharon. I
Knock,
think.
knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
There's no joke. I'm just fucking around.
Oh, good. What are you doing with that?
It's the
Goodbye.
close-up. All right, I love you. Dad show?
Out.
You're like a turtle rolling over. Look at you. Turtle show.
Out.
All right, I love you.
Why do you say that?
Say what?
You say it's going to be out.
And it's not?
No, it's not.
Yeah, that's called annoying.
It's very annoying.
Yes. You're welcome. All right. I could squish you.
What are you going to get?
That much. Dad show.
Out.
For real.
Out.